Hey, I'm Jeremy Stein with Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 34 West 12th Street in the heart of Greenwich Village. This is a 6-story masterpiece, and I cannot wait to show you around. Let's go inside. This 21-foot wide townhouse was originally built in 1860, but virtually every inch of its 7,300 square feet has been redone. The result is modern and stylish, and just might be one of the nicest homes I've ever seen. This is the parlor floor, and it includes a dining area and this living room. Look at the ceilings here. They're over 11.5 feet tall. The grand arched entryway is flanked by custom brass and walnut built-ins, including a wet bar. The picture moldings on the wall pay homage to a classic New York style. And nothing says style like this chic decor, with enough space and seating for all your friends and family. And I love this custom marble mantle. And in the warmer months, you open these floor-to-ceiling French doors and take the party outside. The terrace overlooks the landscaped garden, which we will see in a few. But first, the kitchen. This well-appointed kitchen just might be my favorite room in the house. It's great for entertaining, cooking, and just hanging out, with luxury details at every turn. Breccia Capria marble, counters, backsplash, and island. Fluted glass cabinetry, L'Atelier Paris brass sinks, stove, and hood, and the creme de la creme of appliances, all the appliances. Plus you have Spanish white oak floors, and these floor-to-ceiling glass doors open to your own personal garden oasis. It's 2-tiered, fully landscaped, with areas for lounging, grilling, and dining. Forget the Hamptons. Your home here on 12th Street will be the destination every summer. Look at this grand staircase, which winds its way all the way up to the top of this house. Never has getting your steps in been more dramatic. There are 5 ensuite bedrooms in this home, each one with unique character and charm. But this primary bedroom suite is something else entirely. The bedroom itself defines tranquility. It is bright and airy and pin-drop quiet, with floor-to-ceiling windows that look out over the garden. This is a bedroom where you luxuriate in the details. Grass cloth wall covering, Col de Verde fireplace surround, and Spanish white oak floors in a chevron pattern are just a few of these details. A cinematic mirrored glass closet connects the bedroom to the bathroom. And what a bathroom it is, am I right? There's dual sinks and an oversized soaking tub with waterwork fixtures throughout, honed gray tundra marble, walnut cabinetry, and a shower for 2, which I swear is bigger than some studio apartments. Now I have one more space to show you, and I think you're gonna love it. I figured after all we've seen, this fully landscaped roof terrace would still be the best place to end this tour. I told you it was better than the Hamptons. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.